SwingCouver, let him hear it. Next couple, number 1, Raymond Delancey. Oh yeah, SwingCouver, let him hear it. Couple number 2, Andrew and Phoenix. I'm gonna go ahead and guess that Tatiana picked that song at some point. And Mackenzie, couple number 3, here we go.
Lullaby, bluffing my tones. Cover lies up in slide stones. In my chameleon heart, you know I designed a life for you. Fit for the course, sleepwalking force. I'll say goodbye for. Dollar signs stuck inside loans. You notice that bloody minds run colorblind soils. You own you focus. Hello, you need to swallow that chunk for my design and comfort. Keep going on, reach out for more. Set your mind off. You notice, you focus. Kick in the doors, skip the remorse. I'm built to destroy. You notice. Keep going on, reach out for more.
Oh yeah, SwingCouver, what do you think? That's couple number 3, Jaden Mackenzie. Couple number 3, great team.
The shot of the bomb of the night.
Yeah, well, give me the woman who fill up she run properly. Me no want the girl with the wrong recipe. She don't feel the loving and the right mentality.
hear it. That's couple number 4, Jaden and Talia. So real quick.
Let's get drunk. I'll pour my heart up through my mouth. This year's been hard for us, no doubt. Let's raise a glass to a better one. Let all the things that we've overcome I bring home to us, 'cause me and you, we can hold this out. Only you understand how I'm feeling now, yeah. And I know I can tell you when I'm then. You won't judge, you're just listening, yeah. 'Cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me. 'Cause my darling, you and I can take over the world, and one step at a time, just you and I. 'Cause you're the only one who brings light just like the sun. One step at a time, just you and I. Let's get drunk, reminisce about the day we were broke, not getting paid, and taking trips at that weekend when I would drive down to see her, and we would paint the town. Too many shots I'd be passing out, 'cause I could never keep up. But now I'm puking up, and I know I can tell you when I'm then. You won't judge, you're just listening, yeah. 'Cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me. 'Cause my darling, you and I can take over the world.
Oh yes, SwingCouver, let him hear it. That's couple number 5, Branden and Shayla. Oh yes, SwingCouver, give it up for couple number 6, and Taylor.
I miss the touch of morning time, making silhouettes of us way back when we had our paradise. But staying out all through the night, smoking, drinking, getting high. I was wrong, I apologize. Where'd you go? What can I do? I'm working on my problems, but I need you be too slow. Then where'd you go? What should I say? I hope that I can make a change, 'cause
SwingCouver, let him hear it. That's couple number 7, Aaron and Marie Pascal. Couple number 7. Great job, y'all.
Yeah, I got my new groove, so I'm gonna get with it. I got my new shoes, so I'm gonna stick with it. I see the limelight, so I'm gonna vibe with it. Give me the bright light, so I can get right with it. Baby got me la la la, got me crazy on my brain. She looking so la la la. I think I'm going insane. I want to get down, down, down with you, baby. So can I get down, down, down with you, baby? Yeah. Tonight I wanna do it just for me. I wanna let the rhythm set me free. I'm gonna be myself and just let go. Get down to business when I hit the floor. Yeah, I'ma go in. Yeah, I'ma go hard. Yeah, I'ma be the one going all night long. Yeah, I'ma go in. And I'ma go hard. Yeah, I'ma be the one going all night long. She said she knows me. She says I'm a heartbreaker. Yeah, that's the only. Tonight I'm a heart taker. She got her own ways. The way that she dance for me. She plays her own game. The way that she handle me. Baby got me la la la. Got me crazy on my brain. She looking so la la la. I think I'm going insane. I want to get down, down, down with you, baby. Tell me can I get down, down, down with you, baby? Tonight I wanna do it just for me.
Oh yeah, SwingCouver, let him hear it. Couple number 8, Aidan and Haley.
See, the thing about you that caught my eye is the same thing that makes me change my mind. Kinda hard to explain, but girl, I'll try. You need to sit down, this may take a while. See, this girl, she sorta looks just like you. She even smiles just the way you do. So innocent she seemed, but I was fooled. I'm reminded when I look at you. You remind me of a girl that I once knew. See your face whenever I look at you. You won't believe all of the things that she put me through. This is why I just can't get rid of you. I thought that she was the one for me. Till I found out she was on her pre-moon. She was loving everyone but me. This is why we can never be. You remind me of the girl that I once knew.
SwingCouver, let him hear it. Zod and Lizzie. Couple number 9, All-Star Strictly Swing Finals dancers. We're gonna ask all the couple.